Hey guys, it's Marty and welcome to Two Line Slot Cars. This past week on the live stream, I had a little technical difficulty during the race, and it was with the power. Now, some of you thought that it may have been a software issue. I just want to clarify, it was not a software issue. It was totally a bad wiring job on my part. Let's check it out. Okay, underneath the table is a wiring mess, which can cause you problems. But I try to organize it with a terminal block. And this yellow wire is the track call buttons. And that's the ground for it. And you can see that I'm aggregating all of these other grounds to one location for the timers. Okay, you can see it there. And you can see that it now has been terminated with one of these connectors. And that was the problem. That ground had come loose off that terminal block, and when the power would kick on, it wouldn't actually kick on because the ground was not connected. I don't think people understand how important a ground is. It completes the loop, right? And so if you have a ground issue, it can cause all sorts of gremlins, right? And so this was in the controllers. This was in the timing system. So this is what, yeah. I mean, it just, a ground issue can cause all kinds of weird things to happen. So when weird things are happening, check the ground. So you can see right here, I've just kind of aggregated all of the positives, all of the power on this terminal, so then I could easily move it around. But that's kind of an accident waiting to happen. So use one of these. Do it right. Don't be lazy like Marty. So let's fix that. So now we have basically combined these four wires into two different little terminal spade connectors. And then we will now easily be able to connect and have a good connection. So don't take the lazy route out, guys. Do it right. It will prevent problems like that. Now we're good to go. Track should work. All the call buttons should work. Let's do a test. And now we'll do a test. We started a race. We have power, track power. We have timing. And now
the race has been paused.
We have track call. And then we'll go to the next track call button.
Okay, racers, we are ready to resume the heat. Start racing at the sound of the tone.
There we go. We are back in action. Always check the grounds. It can be an easy miss anytime something crazy is happening with your timers or your track power, when you're using an Arduino and, a DIY type of setup for that. So ground is important, and always check that, because sometimes that could be the culprit. So guys, hopefully this helps. Check your grounds, make sure that loop is complete, and you won't have any problems with your wiring. You won't get embarrassed during your live stream when things don't work like they're supposed to. If you like this kind of content, hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell so you get notified anytime I put out new content. Guys, thanks for tuning in this week, and go have some fun racing.